Hello aspirants, you're hearing to the aspirant voice. In this video, we are going to discuss about 8 lakh rupee criteria for economical weaker section in NEET PG Council. Sorry, PG Council. We are going to discuss about all about the current affair, and this is you're hearing to the aspirant voice, and the mains map is my initiative, where you will get some editorial analysis video. Please, if you do like this series, like, subscribe and share to your friends and hit the bell icon too. Now let's get into the topic. 8 lakh rupee criteria for economically weaker section. So while coming into the context, here the government appointed a committee which submitted the report to the Supreme Court that an annual family income of rupees 8 lakhs criteria is a reasonable threshold for determining whether someone is from economical disadvantaged section of the family, and also the economic benefit from a 10% reservation in enrollment and employment is valid. And there are many students objecting to the Center and Medical Counseling Committee MCC. MCC's this opinion on July 29, 2021 submitted a call by the students to make 27% reservation for the OBC and 10% for EWS category in the National Eligibility Entrance Test, that is NEET. And this is medical course enrollment for current academic year. The government established a member committee consisting of Ajay Bhushan Pandey, former Finance Secretary V.K. Malhotra, and Sanjeev Sanyal, a senior economic advisor to the center. And these people, on November 30 last year, 2021, they said, according to the warrants before the Supreme Court, this particular committee was established on November 30. And they submitted the report. And this is test the criteria to identify the weakest sectors of the economy. That is EWS, sections of the economy. Now let's understand the reason for the committee adopted criteria. First one, it is against the abrupt charges. Abrupt charges because according to the report said that changing the criteria midway would also lead to countless lawsuits. In courts across the country by people whose eligibility suddenly changed. And also there are two categories that should be brought into the par. First one is the applying the same criteria of rupees 8 lakh in the admission, and also rupees 8 lakh cut in tax, related income tax exemption limit. You know, right? Exemption limit for the income tax is rupees 8 lakhs. So now countless lawsuits can come in the way here. Now let's understand the EWS criteria are stringent or not. The income criterion was more stringent than one for the OBC creamy layer. In economic weaker section, the family includes the candidate, their parents, and also the siblings whose age is more than 18 years plus. These all are included, and all the spouse and children under 18 years of age. While for creamy, the OBC family includes only applicant parents. So for OBC it's only parents, but for economical weaker section it is like the whole family. So this is an stringent criteria for economic weaker section. Now let's discuss the ease of implementation. Having different income limits for different geographies, like you can say rural, urban, metro, or states. So see, there are different income limits in different groups. Like in rural, income limit is different for a family than urban, and in metro it is different, and in states like highly developed states it is exceptionally different. So this will create complications, especially considering people have become more mobile and increasingly moving from one part to the other country, one part of the country to other part of the country, for jobs, study, and business. So here it is an issue that where this person to be considered, whether from the rural or urban or metro, his background and limit is different and everything kept same. Now let's understand problems raised regarding the setting the criteria at rupees 8 lakhs. The first one is problem with the adopting economic criteria alone. As I said you, the economic criteria. And the government had mechanically adopted rupees 8 lakh criteria. There is no deep research why 8 lakh. It is like for OBC creamy layer, it is 8 lakh. OBC creamy layer, it is 8 lakhs, and also 8 lakhs for tax evasion, or tax exemption. So in the same way, in the line, it was put 8 lakhs for the economic weaker section, but there is no deep organic study for that. And also there is a regional and social difference in purchase power which are not factored in. Like see, as the cutoff, it was suggested that all differences in purchasing power across urban, rural are different. And their per capita income is different, and GDP across states must be considered to arrive at this number. However, they suggest that this exercise would be infeasible and complex, and also it is near to no help to any category. Now let's discuss income tax exemption limit at 2.5 lakhs. 2.5 lakh rupees. The company's assertion that rupees 8 lakh corresponds to the effective income tax exemption limit, even as the only income slab exempt from paying taxes was from those earning below 2.5 lakhs, also render the criteria on becoming economically weak as less stringent. And also the submission emphasizes the fact that outcomes in the recent entrance and recruitment examinations like NEET, UPSC, JEE showed an even bunching and eligible candidates in different income brackets, that is from 0 to 2.5 lakhs, 2.5 to 5 lakhs, 5 to 8 lakhs, their family income brackets. However, it does not explain why cutoffs were even lower in recruitment exams than that of socially and education backwards like OBC are also there. But the cutoff is very less different between the people. So, the validity of 103rd Constitution Amendment through which the EWS quota was introduced in 2019 is still before the constitutional bench. But the apex court must seek more clarity on the criteria adopted by the government committed to set the income limit for identifying the EWS section eligible for reservation. So, this is all about rupees 8 lakh rupee criteria. I hope you do like this video. If you do like this video, please like and also subscribe, and please share it to your friends so that you can reach to many friends. And the notes will be given in the description. The link of the notes will be given in the description. Thank you.